Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm showing you guys how you guys can make portals in your own Roblox Studio game. So, pretty much, you're just going to want to have parts, make sure they are anchored, otherwise I don't think they will work. You guys can just make this however you want, but I'm just going to do something really simple. I'll make like portal 1, I don't know, an orange color, and I'll move portal 2 back here and I'll make it like blue. I'm going to make these both can collide off. Now I'm going to go into here and go. So, this script only works if you have two doors, like two portals. Otherwise, I can show you how to make it with one portal that just brings you somewhere. So, with this, you want to go, script.parent.touched :connect function, and in here you want to write hit, not he, and then you want to go hit.parent.humanoid root part. And make sure you spell it exactly like this, otherwise it won't work. Dot cframe equals cframe dot new. Then you're gonna go workspace dot. Then for this one, I'm gonna name this like to portal one, and portal two dot portal two, and then portal, and then you wanna go wait script dot disabled equals true. Wait 2, or however long you want the cooldown to be. I'm just going to go 1, or probably 2 because you want them to have time to walk out. Then script.disabled equals false. So, what this is doing is it's grabbing the humanoid root part, and if you don't know what the humanoid root part is, it is, so in the player, every player, it's got your name, then if it's R15 actually, it has to be R15. But most people are R15, and then it'll be humanoid root part, which is like if you move the humanoid root part, like if you teleport it, if you change the position of it, it'll go like, say 1,1,1, it'll bring the whole player with you. But like if you just move it separately, it just doesn't want to work. So I'm just gonna reset. Oh, I forgot you can't use that. Yeah, so it's a bit weird if you move the humanoid root part away from the actual player. Okay, so pretty much it's grabbing the humanoid root part and moving it over here, which is portal 2. So something isn't working. Is it like getting disabled at all? Yeah, it is, but I think I'm gonna have to change it. Oh, dot position. And so, pretty much, if you press play here again, it should just bring you over to the blue portal. Yep, and it just teleported, and yep. So press X. Now copy this and get portal 2 and paste into. Then just go portal 1. But you don't want to, you want to actually go workspace dot portal 1 dot script dot disabled equals true. So what this is doing is it's making sure that you're not just automatically teleporting to the other place. So like, yeah, it's making sure that when you hit this, you're not automatically teleporting there, then back, then there, then back, then there. So then you just want to again go here. No, not God. Copy that. Now paste in there, but you want to change this to portal 2. Copy that again. Paste it in here. Where is it? Oh no. Oh damn. Okay, so You just want to not do what I just did then. And then, so when you press play here, it should be teleporting you to the other portal. Like, so when you hit this, it should be teleporting you there. Then, if you wait 2 seconds, the cooldown will end, and then the player can uh, go through it again. So it's just not like, yep, so it's just working like that. But if you hit this, so say you didn't have this bit in it, so I'm just gonna copy that, delete it. Where's that portal? And delete that. Then when you hit play, your Roblox Studio will either crash out or you'll just be in an endless loop. Yeah, you'll just be in an endless loop, and it's just you can't get out. So that is why it's important to have a cooldown there, because you can pretty much never get out. See, it's just like changing positions all the time. Looks a bit like that. But yeah, so you want to make sure you have the cooldown on there, otherwise this will happen and your players will just be stuck like that. Okay, so time to get into like the second way of making a portal, where okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video helps at all, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more cool videos like this where you can learn to script. So, yeah, I'll be going like every second day now, just to keep like consistency up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.